Welcome back, guys, to the thrilling conclusion of tick information, tick control, and everything ticks. So today, professional treatment. If it's something you wanted to have or interested in the process, there's basically 3 things that a professional company should be doing. And that does not include lawn treatments, okay? We talked about that at length. Lawn care companies typically are gonna do that for you, but again, if your lawn's pretty well groomed and it's open and airy, there's not gonna be any ticks in the grass, and therefore why put down the extra material that now you're gonna expose your family and your pets to? It's really unnecessary, okay? So what can you do? So number 1, they make a tick station that you can put about every 10 or so feet around the property. Basically, it's like an outdoor rodent station. The mouse runs through, and think of it as the mouse is basically treated with the same application that your pet would be treated with, Frontline or some of the other products. And so that causes the tick then to be, when it bites the mouse, to then be treated and die, right? So it's kind of it's an interesting way to treat, and some people are big proponents of it. Squirrels can run through there, chipmunks, things like that, so it takes care of the rodent population, lets them be treated. The next thing is tick tubes. So this isn't actually a tick tube, but it's very similar. So they're about half this size, kind of camouflaged, and they have cotton balls inside of them. They're treated with permethrin. So you put them about I think it's every 20 or 30 feet around the property. I double check the label on that, but basically what happens is they're on the ground, and the mouse, they're tucked in like shrubs and things. The mouse would come through, grab the cotton that's treated with permethrin, and use that as nesting material. And so now the mouse is essentially treating itself with a pesticide back at its nest, and again killing any ticks that it has with it. Last and the most popular is really what we focus on, is a barrier treatment. So we want to treat, we're typically wearing backpack blowers. Looks like a leaf blower, holds about 3.5 gallons of material, and we're walking the property anywhere there's shaded garden beds or leaf matter or near fire, stacked firewood, anywhere in an area where a mouse may do some nesting, and we're treating about 3 to 5 feet, maybe even further in on the we call it like the transition zone that we talked about a few videos ago, and we're just walking the whole property and doing that. And so you'll see a technician walking around, backpack, blowing, and the whole process, it really depends. It varies. Price and time varies based on the size of your property, obviously, but that's the most effective way. I could say, living out in the woods, guys, we haven't seen a tick in a long time. Had 2 golden retrievers for 15 years. Really never had any tick problems. Kept up with the flea and tick prevention on the animals year round. So you couple that with a professional pest control measure and do the other things that we talked about yesterday, the 10 ways to keep the ticks off your property, you'll be in good shape and really reduce your risk of any tick-borne illness. Okay, so let's everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching the last few days. I really appreciate all the likes and the comments and messages I got. It's really means a lot. Thank you. I'm gonna plan to keep delivering you guys content over the next weeks, days, and months. So I'm here to stay, like it or not. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys. Thank you very much.